In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn Fast Startup on or off in Windows 11. The steps are simple, and the process is exactly the same whether you want to enable it or disable it. First, open your search bar and type Control Panel, then click to open it. Once you're inside the control panel, select Hardware and Sound, and then click on Power Options. Here you'll see several power settings, but the one we need is on the left side under the menu. Click on Choose what the power buttons do. You may already see the option labeled Turn on Fast Startup, but in many cases it will be grayed out, so you can't change it yet. To unlock this option, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable at the top. This will refresh the window and allow you to edit the shutdown settings. Now you can scroll down and find Turn on Fast Startup. If you want to enable Fast Startup, check the box. If you want to disable it, simply uncheck it. Once you've made your choice, go to the bottom right and click Save Changes. That's all you need to do. The setting will now apply the next time you shut down your computer. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and if it did, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more Windows guides.